This video quickly puts you through on how to move the start menu of your Windows 11 PC from the center to the left. Let's just get right into it. First, click on the start. Then click here and type settings. Typing the settings will show you the best match, which is this. Select it. Once you're on this page, click on personalization. Then scroll on this page. Okay? Then on scrolling there, you will see this taskbar. Alright, you have taskbar behavior, system, pins. Alright, click there. On clicking on this place, there are other steps you need to take. Scroll down on this page as well. Then select the option of taskbar behaviors. So click there. On clicking there, you will see taskbar alignment. Click where you have center and select left. You can see the start menu has moved to the left. So if I close this, I'll be accessing start from the left. But maybe in the future, if you don't want that, you can get back to where we were before and change it to the center. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button, okay, if you can. Thank you and see you some other time.